On January 30th, Sovan uploaded a series of photos of herself on her Instagram account. In the photos, Sovan can be seen coddling and looking dotingly at a life size mannequin wearing a Nazi uniform. The uniform seen on the statue was worn by Nazi soldiers during World War II. Buddies instantly recognized that they were taken on the set of G Friends Walpurgis night album comeback show, and after a lot of digging, they found out the location of the set, Cafe Zeno. Several K dramas like Crash Landing on You, Goblin, and The Hairs have been filmed on this set. The Nazi mannequins are part of the cafe they filmed in, but not part of their own set. So G Friends set designers had nothing to do with it. Whoever designed it should be ashamed of themselves, honestly. But here's where it gets sketchy. During a live broadcast in 2016, Sinbi told buddies that she has Sovan's name saved in her phone as Hitler, a combination of Sovan's surname Kim and Hitler. Sovan deleted the pics shortly after posting them. Apparently, she didn't delete them because of the Nazi imagery, but because fans were getting jealous that she was hugging a man. Source Music have said that they are currently looking into the situation. Hello, this is Ishanti from Future popping up. So as I was editing my video, Source Music finally decided to post an apology. Here's what they said. You can pause and read this whole statement because no way in hell am I going to read this 2 page statement. Here's what I think about the whole situation. I don't think she's a Nazi sympathizer or something because if she was, why would she just come out with it so casually when she's a well known celebrity? Maybe it was an honest mistake on her part. However, I have seen a lot of people say that she is Korean, so she doesn't know anything about pretty much the entire world's history. I don't know how I feel about that statement. Every time there is a scandal with a K-pop idol, I fans start pretending like Koreans in general are just incredibly ignorant. No, your fave's stupidity is not a Korean problem. It's just so blatantly rude and racist to generalize a whole country just to make your idol look better. It doesn't sit right by me. Pretty much every other country in the world was involved in this war, including Korea. It's called World War for a reason, duh. World War II is still a hot topic in Korea today as Koreans seek apologies and reparations from Japan's government. Germany was in alliance with Japan during World War II, and Japan committed horrible atrocities against Koreans during that time. I hate when fans act like only people in the West know about World War II. Hello, I am an Asian living in Asia. I'm not Jewish and still I know about the Holocaust and World War II. So one currently goes to a university called Sungshin Women's University, and to get accepted into that university, you have to take a college entrance exam which includes a social studies section with world history. I feel like K-pop companies in general need to train their employees and artists in cultural sensitivity. I am not really interested in cancelling Sovan over this, but she does need to actually learn from this. Simply deleting the photos without any apology isn't good enough. I've been a buddy for a long time and I love G Friend with all my heart. I really want to believe that her mistake was a consequence of ignorance and no further harm was ever intended. I think that both Sinbi and Sovan should educate themselves a bit more about the subject and publicly apologize. That nickname is problematic. You have to be living under a rock to not know Hitler and all that he did. People who are affected by their actions have all the right to be mad, disappointed, and demand for an apology. Stop invalidating Jewish people's feelings by calling them cancel vultures. Sweeping it under the rug is not something that will work. Too many people know about this already. Just grow up.